So today we are going to discuss number of sub-arrays with LCM equal to k. That is basically a lead code problem. So let's see what is the question. Given an integer array nums and an integer k, return the number of sub-arrays of nums where the least common multiple of sub-arrays element is k. A subarray is a contiguous non-empty sequence of elements within an array. The least common multiple of an array is the smallest positive integer that is divisible by an array. So basically we are given an array of integer and a k value. So we have to find out the number of sub-arrays which has least common multiple, that is LCM, equals to k. Okay, so first of all we have to understand what is subarray and then subarray and subsequence. What is the difference between subarray and subsequence? So let's get started. And subsequence, uh, mostly the people get confused between these two, so let's talk about this. So basically subarrays or substrings are the continuous or contiguous in manner. Contiguous means let's take 1 2 3 4 are in an array, then 1 2 3, this is a subarray. Okay, this is a subarray. 2 3, it is a subarray. 3 4, it is a subarray. And non-contiguous means let's take 1 2 3 4 and 1 4, we take, this is a subsequence. We can take 2 4, this is subsequence. Okay, subsequence can be subarray. Okay, it can be 2 3, it's also called as it can be also called as subsequence, but subarray cannot be subsequence. Okay, subsequence basically can be contiguous or non-contiguous. Okay, it is may not. Okay, problems. So as our problem says, it is given a list of integers and k value. We have to find out number of subarrays which has the least common multiple, that is LCM, equals to k. So let's take an example, 36271. 36271. So we can find out the subarrays. We have to find out the number of subarrays total. So if there is so let's take 3. The LCM of 3 equals to 3. Let's take 3 comma 6. LCM of k equals to k is given 6. LCM of 3 comma 6 equals to 6. So we have to find out the number of subarrays which have LCM 6. So we can take 3 6 which have LCM 6, 6 2 which have LCM 6. We can take 6 1. It's also have LCM 6, but it is not a subarray. It is a subsequence. So the number of subarrays are 3 6, only 6, 6 2 and 3 6 2. So there are 1 2 3 4 subarrays. And let's take another example. There nums equals to 3 and k equals to 2. In this we can see that if we will find out the LCM of 3, the LCM of 3 is 3. So there is no subarrays which have the LCM 2. So output will be 0. So let's code it out. Let's take a counter variable which will store the total number of count of the subarrays. For loop it will run from 0 index to the last index. Let's take a temporary variable. Which stores the LCM. Okay. For that, first of all, we have to write the LCM function by inbuilt math function, which I will use math.lcm, which will give the LCM of two numbers. Okay. Initially, the temp variable stores the first part, the nums of I. Then we will loop and then we will run another loop, which will go from I to length of nums. Okay, we are finding out sub arrays, not subsequence. Okay, so L store the LCM. We'll store the LCM of. We'll find out the LCM of L and its adjacent element, that is terms of J. Okay, if L equals to K, if the LCM of the subarray is K, then it will increment the counter variable, and else if count LCM of subarray is greater than K, then we will break the loop. Why we are breaking the loop? If when LCM is greater than K, so because when we will add more and more elements to our subarray, it will always be greater than K, so we are breaking it now. Okay, then we will return counter variable. Tell you what we are doing. We are comparing. Firstly, we are comparing 3 and 6. Firstly, we are comparing 3. Then we are comparing 3 and 6. Then 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 7. Then 3, 6, 2, 7, 1. Then we will compare 6, 2, 2, 7, 6, 2, 7, 6, 2, 7, 1. Then we will compare 2, 7, 2, 7, 1, 7, 1. Then we will compare 7 and 7, 1. Okay, we are gradually increasing the value of I. Okay, let's run it. I think it will work. Okay, as you can see that it works fine. Let's submit it. Okay, as you can see, it is submitted successfully. Thank you for your time. Hope you liked the video. Then like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.